Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To manually download and install updates on a Windows 10 laptop, first, go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Here, click on Check for Updates. If updates are available, Windows will automatically download them. However, to manually download specific updates, click on View Optional Updates for more options. You can select specific updates to download and install. After selecting, click Download and Install. Restart your laptop if prompted after the installation. Remember, keeping your laptop plugged in during the update ensures the process completes without power issues.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.